Assalamu alaikum students, welcome to Civil Engineering Trainer. My name is Faisal Sabir. Today we are starting another lecture of Autodesk Civil 3D. So in this lecture we will discuss draw road cross section in Civil 3D. So this is very important lecture related to roads. So in this lecture the topic we will discuss draw road cross sections, after the adjustment of bands and last adjustment of cross section views. So you can also see the view of this drawing. You can also see here road section. All road we created here sections. So first of all we create section. After the adjustment of some its bands, we create its band. After that gives different color PGR and NGR in different colors, and we also adjust its label here with different colors and label and offsets. So I hope this lecture will help you to make sections. So let's start. So you can see here our computer screen. So in this lecture we discuss how can we create section for road. Okay, so you can see last time we discussed all these, how can we create this one. After that we created here one corridor. After that we also draw some specific sample lines. Okay, so in this lecture we discuss how can we create its section. Okay, so for that you can see here one option sample line downside here section views. If you just click here, so you can see here four option opening here. So first I want to keep my cursor here. You can see three some specific section. Okay, this is multiple section. If you want to follow this one, so you can draw multiple section at a time. Okay, second option you can see here, there is only one section, so we want to follow that method which give us help to make multiple section at a time. Okay, so for that we just click here and you can see here one new window, create multiple section views. Okay, so first of all general, you can see select alignment. Okay, Grand Trunk Road, this is our alignment. Next will be our SL collection 1. Okay, this simple line. Okay, groups. Okay, now next will be automatic from start to end. If we follow start to end, so 0 to end, our all section will be completed here. If you want to follow this one, so we just want to make a section from some specific station like 100, 0 to 100, 200, or we want to make 100 to maybe 500. Okay, this is our choice. Okay, but we want to follow automatically because we need 0 to end station. Okay, so for that we click here. Next will be section view name. You just click here, so you can see here number style. Basically this the, you can say, sequence of our section. Okay, so station starting number means no, I want to start from one number. Increment number, if we have here 1, it's mean our section will be drawn 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, if I write here 2, so it's mean 1 3, this will be step 2 2. Okay, 1 3 5 7 9. Okay, but we need all section one by one, so for that we select here 1 1. Okay, okay. Description, if you want to write anything from here like road section views, this will depend on you, no problem. Okay, so next will be section view layers. Okay, you can also select any rail, but we don't need anything here. So section view style, you can see here there are two type of style, lane desktop section and road section. Okay, so I want to follow this is the basically style. Okay, this style. Okay, select here. Then next will be production and draft. Production mean if you want to paste this section on some specific pages. Okay, so you can select production, but here we just want to make section. After that at the last we draw this one on some specific pages when we create new pages. Okay, so for that we just here go draft. Okay, see here draft, our section will be drawn here. Okay, next will be basic. Okay, after that next you can see here offset. Automatic mean minus 25 minus 25. If and you can also see the view, but if we have user specified, so we can also mention here some specific detail like we need 0.20 or any like 0.15. Okay, like that, this is our requirement, but we need automatic. I want that if any section need 25, he take 25. If he need 20, he also select from here. Okay, automatic. So this is the best method for you. Give Civil 3D gives us method, so we select automatic. Next will be click automatically, same like elevation. This also depend on elevation. If we select here some specific height, then it may be sometime you can see down up, but if we follow this one automatic, you can see here our cutting filling will be according to its automatic. Okay, so we follow this one. After the next, you can see here the mud surface. Okay, last time we created this surface, the mud surface. Okay, existing, this is our style. Basically this is our style. Okay, here existing ground. Okay, corridor for road 1, this will be our view edit, because there are different type of method to show the detail. So this is the best method, view edit. When we follow this one, we can get more detail of section. Okay, so for that I select this one, and next here will be this is surface other one. So here we need to select finished. Okay, last time we adjust existing on the top, and here we need finished ground. Okay, you can see this detail. After that next, then this will be our final setting. So for that offset only, this is depend on select band set. Okay, so if we select this one, find the section with offset, but we need some other one, measure station offset and elevation. You can see here. So this automatic Civil 3D give us specialty that we can automatically select here. So existing ground, finished ground and offset. So we need this one. For that we select here. After that we also select the mud surface first, surface 1, and second will be our PGL. Okay, so for that select this one. After that create section views, just click here. So you can see here our views is ready. So for that we just need to click here, click. So you can see here our section is ready here. So now we need to a little bit adjustment. Okay, so for that you can also a little bit increase its scale. So you can see here, and just click here. Now a little bit overlapping. So for that just click here, and you can see one option update group layout. Okay, just click here. All type of detail will be adjusted automatically. You can see here, see this one. So now first of all, our first bar will be, we need to adjust its bands. Okay, different colors. Elevation, existing elevation mean NGL, we need to make here NGL with red color. Proposed mean PGL, mean proposed with blue color, and offset with yellow color, like yellow or white color. Okay, next will be, we can also need to remove this one here, 10 offset, we need to 5 offset. After that we also need to remove this one after point value. Okay, the next will be, we also need to adjust its color in white and adjust its style. Basically we need to adjust setting for highlight this portion, we need to highlight this portion, all detail will be a little bit highlight. Okay, and adjustment of this one label. Okay, so for that we just need to click here. After that right click. First of all I want to make its band adjustment. Okay, so before adjustment I also want to make its a little bit grid setting. So for that, see here option section view property, section view group property. It's mean if we just follow this one, only one section will be adjusted, but if we follow section view group property, then we just section setting 1, automatic all section will be applied on this setting. Okay, so for that we need to selecting this one. So before this one I want to adjust its grid. Okay, so for that edit section view style. Okay, click here. So you can see here graph. Okay, there is one graph is used here. So after that we need to adjust this one. You can see here value, there is 2 value. You can see our second little bit there is extra space, we don't need this one. We also need to remove this upper side. Okay, so for that there are 2 extra value came here. For that we need to just keep here 1.5. okay, after that top side 1.5, apply. So we can see here our section will be adjusted. Okay, this is good. Okay, for us. After that title annotation, see here our title size also increase and the color is not good. Next will be we also need to drag this one down. Okay, so for that first of all need to text a little bit small. After that its text must be in a unique color like yellow. This is bright color. Okay, okay. After that you can see here his height is a little bit more. Okay, you can see on the y side, y15 we need to drag a little bit downside, so for that we select here 4. Okay, now see there, apply its size and color also will be changed. Now we don't need this border, so for that we just click here, we remove this border here and you can see here apply. Now see our border is removed. Now I want to adjust this one, so for that vertical, select here vertical, we need to adjust this one, so click here and make its color like white. Okay, from here bold. Okay, now we also want to a little bit this side, for that -4 I write here -1 and other side also will be same. I also want to make white color right side, so for that this one. Okay, and here I also want to make 4, I also make here 1. Okay, and the color also will be white. Okay, apply then. Okay, so you can see here that difference. See this one, the setting a little bit better. Now I want to make its bands better, so for that click here, right click, section view, group property. Okay, click here, you can see here section views. See this one, there is some specific option, change band. Okay, bands are basically this is the group property, so for that he gives some different options. So for that click here, change band set. See this one, so first of all I want to make it NGL, after that this one will be PGL and offset. Okay, and also need to change its color. Okay, band already. Okay, so for that click here, NGL, same setting. First one need to write here NGL. Okay, after that copy this one from here, bands, this one compose label. Okay, right here NGL. After that need to select here center, existing elevation we need to make here NGL. Okay, select this one. After that make a red color, bold and right center. Okay, see this one. Now see this one, and its height is okay, we also need to give it center. Okay, select here red color. Okay, apply then. Okay, next will be its text bands. See this one, text box width will be 30 is enough. Okay, 30 or 28. After that there is no need, or you can also see here 3:1 is enough. After the next this side will be the setting of this portions, for that band middle. Okay, section 1. Okay, section 1 we just need to change its color, red color here, and apply this one. Okay, okay, see this one. We also need to change its link color, this one small lines, for that we also want to change it from here, this one. Okay, okay, now we also need to make changing in its border, so for that see here we also want to change its border like this one. After that this also need to be red and this one also need to be red. Okay, we can see here some other settings like tick at center line. Okay, this must be this color, and label at center line. Okay, this is okay. Okay, no problem, apply then. Okay, okay, apply. The next setting will be from here, so for that click here again, and now this will be PGL. Okay, profile grid level, so for that copy again. After that bands, this must be 28. Okay, this will be 33. Compose label, this is normal method, we already use this one. PGL, after that this must be in center line. Okay, purpose need to be here PGL. After that center line, okay, here blue, okay. After that this node need to be in center, you can see here. After we also need to select here blue, okay. Next we do apply, okay. Now we need to go this side and also need to select here some other profile. This one will be middle, okay. Here need to be select profile section 2, okay. First we need to section 1 on PGL. Now on NGL, now we need to make PGL, so for that select 2. If you want to make its precision more, then you can also select here. We need to only 2 here. Next, here we need to change its color blue, bold, okay. After that here also need to be changed its color blue, okay. The next will be our setting. You can see here is a little bit change its small tick, so for that need to go display. Here need to make its blue because I want to make all detail according to its text, so for that select here blue. This is PGL. Next will be tick at center line, okay. We also need to make it blue. Now next will be our center line, okay. We need to change here apply, then okay, okay, apply. Now we need to set last one, so for that just click here offset, okay. Copy from here. Here we also need to 28 and 3. Compose label. After that paste here offset. This must be in center, okay. After the offset is okay. Just need to make it color white, bold and center, okay. Center, okay. See this one. After that apply here same color white. You can see this must be in center, and here also need to be center. See this one. So we also need to change its border color, so for that apply here, okay, okay. Go in display. Here need to white color here. After that here also need to white. Here also need to white color, and tick at center line in white color. So other setting is okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here band adjustment this side, okay. We also need to change its style, like here 5 and after need point, after point value we don't need, so for that click here, select here, and after that see this one precision we don't need point. After that, so for that click here, add this one. Format will be here white and bold, okay, okay. See this one. This one will be white, okay, okay. Apply, then apply, then okay, okay. After that apply, then okay, okay, apply, okay. Now apply, then okay. You can see here our all setting will be applied here on all section, okay. Apply, then okay. So you can see here our all section looking better. For that our section all data is highlighted, so for that I also need to make it 5, okay. So for that click here, edit section view style. After that make it offset from here. Here is mentioned 510. We also need to 5. Apply. You can see here detail 5 meter. See this one. After that this side I think is okay. Apply, then okay. Our last setting is about its top text, because this is the main detail, so for that we need to highlight all this one. So we just need to click here and right click. After that you can see here edit code set style. This is only applied if you select only this text. Okay, select this text, right click, edit code, set style. Okay, so we don't need extra thing, we need just here center line, also center line point. So for that you can see here link, point and shape. Link basically is the slopes. Okay, these slopes, links and shapes. For that we just need to make here plus. So first of all we need to also label foreground. So for that you need view. Okay, apply. You can see here this center portion. Okay, we also need this one. So for that click here. Next will be, I want to make all detail in sequence like one line. So for that this overlapping will be decreased and our all detail will be show betterly. So for that click here, just go inner side on one time and after click here. So you can see here the detail layout, just click here. After that first of all make its adjustment a little bit close, click here this one. After that this also click here. After backspace you can see here, just give one space. Okay, now we need to select this one and make its color from here unique. So like red color is okay, bold. See this one. Now our next will be elevation, ELE now, and ELE we need to give this color a little bit different like a cyan. Okay, apply. See this one. Now you can see in line. Okay, next will be text height. I want to make here height 75. In the middle left this is okay. Next will be our line length. Okay, I want to make its line better. See this one, 8.3. I want to make it 5. See this one. After that apply, then okay, okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here now our detail will be looking better. See this one, our all detail is looking better. If you want to, you can see here there is some overlapping problem. So for that just click here, right click, flip label. One label will be downside and there is also a method. You can also click here and flip label. This label also will be downside. Okay, if you want to increase this height and decrease from top side, just click here, right click, edit second view style, and you can see here grid 0.5. we just need to make it 1 and top side 1 is enough. Okay, apply. So you can see here the detail of second will be looking better. Okay, see this one, see this one. Now I want to make all these grid a little bit dark color. So for that our these detail will be show highlighted and this will be a little bit normal color. So for that display, need to go on display, and after that you can see here grid, horizontal grid, vertical grid. Horizontal grid, this need to be dark color like here. Okay, after that we also need to select here dash, and here need to scale 10, I think is enough. After that select here dark color same and scale will be 10 and select here dash color. Okay, apply, then okay. You can see here the text, apply, then okay. So you can see here our all detail is looking better, all these detail. So for next one you can see here there is line. This is basically NGL lines. So for that we need to make in better color. So for that click here, section property, edit section style, click here, display segment. Okay, this color we need to change its color. So for that click here and change its color in red. After that also need to change its line color, -2. You can also select any one, apply. See this one, this is looking better. Okay, apply, then okay. So you can see here all section is looking better. See this one, this is the best view to show our detail. You can also decrease and increase scale from here. So you can see here our section is looking better. So for that, see this one, all section is looking a little bit distance. So for that, just click here, and you can see here update group layout. Just click here. All section will be close to each other. So this is our section of roads, and all its setting, labels, and its all views, all detail is looking better. Okay. So this is the second lecture to make section. So inshallah, next lecture will be about its quantity, like its cutting and filling. Okay. This lecture will help you to make section. All type of detail I mentioned here. Okay. So this is the final view of our drawings. Okay. See this one. You can select this one. See all details mentioned here. I hope this lecture will be very helpful for you. If you have any question related to this topic, so please comment me in comments box. Inshallah, try my best to give you some suitable answer. If you are new, so please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Allah Hafiz.